Hello everyone, I am Suvadeep Biswas. I come from the city of Joy, Kolkata, West Bengal. I am here to share my learning experience from Reliance Retail, wherein I did a 2-month internship, and also I interned at Correlate Insights, wherein I did a 1-month internship. At Reliance Retail, I worked closely with the EPC team, the engineering, procurement and contracts team. From there, I learned the procurement manual, wherein how a need for a product arises and right to the delivery of it. And then I learned to create MAT codes, material codes for each and every SKU. And then I was also assigned a live project wherein I had to go to the Crawford market. I had to get vendor quotations for some 108 bakery equipment items. And at Correlate Insights, it's a leading market research agency wherein I learned from qualitative research to quantitative research, right from making questionnaires, discussion guides, learned the techniques of moderation, attending in-depth interviews, and then doing content analysis, presentation, everything. To deep dive into every topic, every task that I have been assigned, to keep a continuous learning attitude and to be humble at all times and be respectful towards everyone in the organization.